Alright y'all, welcome back to another video, another tech review. And today we'll be talking about the new Pixel 9, the new Google Pixel 9 just released. The new Google keynote has been done. It just finished. By the time you're watching this, it's already been finished. And what's even wild, that MKBHD just posted this video before the keynote even started. Like, how? But today I'll be talking about the new features and all the new phones that they have added. They have added 4 new phones, and it is the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel 9 Pro Flip, which has to be the best fold phone ever that has ever come. I mean, MKBHD, Mr. Who's the Boss, and all these other creators have told that the new the Pixel 9 the Pixel Fold before the Pixel 9 was the best, but now they have just outthrown themselves and came with a new Pixel 9 Fold, which is the thinnest phone that you could get in US. Pre-fold, but post-fold is as big as a 15 Pro, a little bigger than the 15 Pro Max, only because of the what's it called, the camera is really big, it's really chunky, but they have removed the whole ridge and it's just the little island on the side and on the middle actually, and it has been completely changed. It is amazing. I will be looking over my phone over here and there because I cannot just remember every single thing that they have added, so I will be looking over my phone here and there to tell all the specs and all that, and I'll give you an honest review on it. I do not have all the phones, but I have done my research. I've looked at hundreds of videos of other YouTubers testing it out, the new features and everything. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, we'll be talking about the Pixel 9. The Pixel 9 has a color named Peony, Winter Green, Obsidian, and Porcelain. It's a cream color, which is actually pretty good, and it looks amazing, to be honest. The display is 6.3 inches, aspect ratio is 20 by 9, and it's 180 to 2424. Really good, really lightweight, to be honest. And the new feature that they have added is actually called Add Me. So how it works is, if you have 3 people and one of them is holding the phone, taking the phone, you can actually put them in the photo. So what it does is, like, you have to shake the camera a little bit to get the AR scanners, the augmented reality, to look at the environment, and then you take a photo, and one of the people who are in the photo, or both of them, can get out the photo, and then the third guy can come in and take the photo, which is amazing. It doesn't even look like you have taken 2 different photos, because the photos are like identical, and they also have different parts. So you have like a part 1 where there's only 2 people, and part 2 where it's only the third guy, but the final result is all 3 guys and they're aligned, and it is amazing. It's an amazing feature that they added. For some reason they invited Jimmy Butler to do this interview and do a live demo. I don't know why, but I mean, it's really good. And the new Pixel 9 has a good features, especially I like the pink color named Peony, which is a really good color. I like it's really vibrant, unlike freaking Apple does not have vibrant pink colors. They freaking promised us with a pink color and it was like pastel as heck. But the charging, they have said it's 24 plus hour battery life. So we don't know that yet, but we will be trying that. But they also added a typical 4,700 milliamp power bank, a battery, battery into this. Fast charging, they said it goes up to 55 in about 30 minutes. We haven't tested this out. Nobody has gotten this in their hands, So if it tests come out, I will be doing a test, conducting this test to see if it's actually true or not. And they also have memory, which is 12 gigabytes and 126 for storage. So that is all for Pixel 9. Let's move on to the Pixel Pro. For the new colors for Pixel 9 Pro is the rose quartz. It is like a little pastel than the pink one that the Pixel 9 has, but it is actually really vibrant. They also has hazel and obsidian, which looks amazing. I like the hazel because it's gray and it's like a little cement gray. The display for the Pro is 6.3 and the Pro XL is 6.8. It is literally the same as both of them. The specs is same. So if you're getting a Pro, the Pro XL is just a bigger version. All the stuff that is in the Pro is already in the Pro XL. All you're getting is a bigger phone. That's it. So if you want to get the Pro, I wouldn't recommend getting the Pro XL. Really, it's not a big deal because all you're getting is a big screen size. The dimensions are a little bigger. Of course, it's 6 in height for the Pro, but for Pro XL is 6.4 and 2.8 inches for width, and it is 3 inches for the width for the Pro XL. As I said, 24 plus hour battery life for both, and typical 4,700 milliamp power. But for the Pro XL, they have 5,060 milliamp battery. So that's way better than that. And they said that it could charge from 0 to 70 in 30 minutes. We don't know that yet, but we will be testing that out. And as the same, the memory RAM has gone up from 12 to 16, and you have more options. So you have 128, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte for both Pro and Pro XL. So the Pro and the Pro XL are literally the same. The Pro XL is just a little bigger. So let's move on to the fun part, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Let's get it. Alright, let's talk about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Holy, that's a mouthful. Oh my god. Google, you should have just said Pixel Fold 2 or Pixel 9 Fold. I mean, why do you have to put the Pro, the 9, and the Fold in the same name? Like, oh my god. Just say Pixel Fold 2. So Google, if you're watching this, please change the name. But I'm just here to give you guys a review, so let's get into it. So the colors are just Obsidian and Proclane, which is the cream color and the black color. No nice green color or the pink color. I really wish they had that, because that would have been amazing. Like green and pink, that would have been, I would have probably bought that, because green and pink, that's a really unique color that you can have for your phone. But let's get into the specs. So the external cover is 6.3 inches. The outer cover is 8 inches, just straight up 8 inches. Both of them are OLED. The inside is 2076 to 2152, and the outside is 1080 to 2424. Okay, they also added a multi-alloy steel hinge. It's a grade high strength aluminum or alloy cover. I don't really care about the hinge because I already know the hinge is good. Pixel has done an amazing job when it comes to hinges. Unlike freaking Samsung, the Samsung hinges are outrageous. They're not good at all. Please do not buy a Fold, but you can buy a Flip for Samsung too. So the battery life, as usual, 24-hour battery life, and 16 gigs of RAM and 52 and 512 gigabytes of RAM. And these might seem like really normal specs for a phone, but what's really good about it is as thin as a MacBook Air, or even thinner. Actually, it is thinner than a MacBook Air, and it holds the record now for the thinnest phone in the US pre-fold. So if you fold it, it will be bigger, but it is amazing how they have done this, and they have outdone themselves, because the Pixel Fold, the first one, was really good too. Everyone was recommending, if you want to get a Fold phone, get a Pixel one, but they have just outdone them. Like, this was Pixel 9 right here, the Pixel Fold 1, and Pixel Fold 2 is right here. It is amazing. Hinge is amazing. It is really thin. And to be honest, if you want to buy a full phone, buy the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I mean, I don't know why you would buy a full phone, but if you want to do that, you can do it. They also added a new watch and new buds. I will not be talking about that. You can watch other videos. I'm solely doing a video about the Pixel Pro 9, the Pixel Pro XL, the Pixel Pro 9, or the Pixel 9, and the Pixel 9 Fold. So that is my review on the Pixel Pro 9, Pixel 9, and all the freaking pixels that they have. I don't even know, like, it's like a mouthful, but yeah, that's my review. So have a good day. Bye.